In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect CJ Dropshipping to Facebook Marketplace using what I believe to be the best method. This straightforward process will allow you to streamline your dropshipping efforts, connect your products more effectively, and reach a wider audience. So, let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate over to the CJ Dropshipping website. Once you arrive at the homepage, take your time to browse through their vast selection of products. You're going to want to choose a product that aligns with your business goals and customer preferences, so make sure you pick something that'll catch the eye of your target market. After selecting the product you want to sell, click on it to open up its details page. This page is where you'll find all the crucial information you need for your Facebook Marketplace listing. Next, save an image of the product to your computer. This step is essential because a visually appealing product photo can significantly impact potential buyers. The image will form a big part of your listing, so choose one that best represents the item you have in mind for sale. With the image saved, the next thing you'll want to do is copy the product's title. The title is the first thing your potential buyers will see, so keeping it clear and informative is vital. Once you've copied the title, move on to the price. Copying the price directly from the CJ Dropshipping listing ensures that you're aligning your costs correctly. You want to make sure that the pricing is competitive yet profitable. The next step is to copy the product description. Descriptions give your buyers more context and detail about the product, so take this step seriously. A well-written description can mean the difference between making a sale and not. Now that you've gathered all the necessary information from CJ Dropshipping, it's time to shift to Facebook. Head on over to Facebook. Once there, find and click on See More on the left-hand side of the homepage to expand your options. Then click on Marketplace. This is where the magic happens. You'll want to select Create New Listing. Opt for Item for Sale since you're about to post a product listing. Now paste the title you copied from CJ Dropshipping. Follow this up by entering the price. The next thing you'll do is select the appropriate category for your product. Choosing the right category helps potential buyers find your listing quickly. Then decide on the condition of your item, whether it's new, used, or gently used, which is a detail people care about. After that, paste the description you copied earlier into the description box. Double check to make sure all the information aligns with your earlier notes for accuracy. Finally, click Next and then hit Publish. Your product is now live on Facebook Marketplace, linked seamlessly with CJ Dropshipping. You've effectively broadened your selling platform. Thank you for watching and happy selling.